Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a video that I came up with the idea for last night because I was looking at my credit card bill. Actually, that's what spurred this. And I was like, how could I have possibly spent this much money? And I thought about it, I was like, okay, you bought a couple things here and there. You went to TJ Maxx once or twice, you got a couple things at Target. Okay. Turns out I have bought a lot of stuff during quarantine, so I've gathered a lot of it up today to share with you guys. I've really been trying to go back to the basics on my channel and film videos that I'm super passionate about, get super excited about. If you guys are OGs around here, you definitely know that I love a good haul video, especially when I find a good deal or just really want to share something with you guys. So if you like haul videos too, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe down below. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Trying to do a bonus video in there too. Like, I'm just really trying to post a lot of videos this summer. I don't know, I'm just like really into it right now. The first thing I want to share with you guys super quick is actually the lens that I'm filming on right now. I just thought of this as I turned on the camera, but this is the Canon 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and I really like it. It's very wide angle. This is it all the way zoomed out at the 10, and this is all the way zoomed in at the 18, and I'm probably an arm's width away. I really like the wide angle. It's great for any like bigger shots that I want to get. I honestly have been avoiding using it because it's a little bit harder for me to use actually, especially in low light compared to my Canon G7X Mark II. It's just super easy, super portable. This is great for like these wider shots, great for any sit down videos, stuff like that. But I actually really want to invest in a new camera body, and I think that would make it a lot easier to work with this lens because the camera bodies I'm looking at are full frame, and this is the Canon Rebel T5i. It's super old. I got it years ago. This one I actually purchased because obviously I wanted to like level up the way that my like camera and videography looked, but also it was relatively inexpensive. I want to say I got it used, I believe, or very lightly used, and it was around $200 or so. I can find a link for you guys whether it's new or used. I purchased it through Lens Authority, which my dad, he's really into photography and has a lot of like cool lenses. He uses Lens Authority for some of his bigger lens purchases, so I highly recommend that if you guys are looking into lenses too. In this video I have honestly a ton of stuff. I have clothes, beauty stuff, I have another tech thing, pair of shoes. Like, let's get into it. I guess my store of choice during quarantine was clearly Target because I just have so much stuff from there. I've owned one pair of Lululemon shorts before quarantine. We'll get into that in a sec, but I found these shorts at Target. They sell out so quickly. Even when I put my name on the email list, I went to it about an hour later after they emailed me, they're already sold out again. These are amazing, totally a Lululemon dupe. They really suck you in at the waist, and they're super high-waisted, although I will say they're probably a little bit lower waisted on those who don't have a super short torso like me. They're pretty flowy in the back. These I got in a size medium, but I actually got other colors in a size medium. They were too tight in my thighs, so that's kind of weird, but the black fit very true to size. And then I actually picked up these shorts a couple days ago. I just saw these in the store with my mom. I saw it had this little waistband. I was like, oh, they look like those Lululemon shorts. Come to find out, I tried them on. They literally look like maternity shorts, so that's that. I will say they're super comfy. I sized up in these. I got a large, and they definitely fit a lot looser around the thigh, so it kind of gave me a good idea of like what these would have felt like in a large. I got these for $14 on sale, so that's just fantastic. These I want to say were 18, but these are actually really great for running because they are super high-waisted and they have another adjustable waistband. These are definitely not the cutest slash best looking shorts in my opinion. I do think that they look a little odd, but they're honestly really great for running, and they stayed up the whole time. Highly recommend Target for shorts if you're looking for some. These shorts have also been a quarantine cult favorite by myself. These are just like these tie-dye looking pink shorts. These are in a size medium, and they're actually pretty loose on me, so they fit a bit oversized if you're into that, because I was debating between getting the medium and the large just because I wanted it to be a little looser, but I got the medium. Glad I did. I just love to wear these around the house, if I'm going out, etc. I wear these on walks. Like, they're just so comfy. Unfortunately, Target's sold out of like all the other colors because I wanted to buy 10 more colors of these shorts because I am in love with them, and I want to say I got these for under $20 too, so amazing. I picked up this sweatshirt yesterday with my mom because her and I actually ventured out. If you know me, you know that actually has never happened once during quarantine. So anyways, I got this white sweatshirt, super simple. It's just like a little cropped, and it's super soft. I honestly can totally see myself wearing this either to class in the fall or just relaxing. I've worn it a couple times at night since I've bought it, so I really like this. Great staple. This little sports bra bralette thing I was not expecting to like so much. First of all, this color and me, we just love each other, especially when I have on a little self tan. Like, I just really like how it's like high neck and actually more like a long line sports bra, so it covers that little piece of like roll that's like right under your boobs, you know what I'm talking about? So it cuts down a little bit farther. I actually will just wear this with some sweatpants if I'm chilling around the house, or I'll just throw on one of my Free People tops on top of it, you know, those slouchy ones that I wear in literally every video. I almost wore it for this video and I was like, reel it in, sis. Unfortunately, they don't even sell any other colors of this in general, so I'm gonna go and look on like American Eagle or something like that to find y'all a similar one, because I honestly want to purchase more of these. I love how flattering they are. This one was definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I had a vision when I saw this dress in Target with Chesley. I have yet to actually wear this dress out, but it's just this cheetah midi dress, and let me just tell you, it's a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm here for it. Hear me out. I tried this 2 different ways. First of all, with like black combat boots and a leather jacket. Love it. And then I also tried it belted and kind of shortened it a little bit. It looked fantastic too, so I am so excited to wear this in the fall. I actually have tickets to the Heather McMahon show, which if you guys don't know who she is, oh my god, she's like one of the funniest people on Instagram. She's a comedian, and I'm going to her show hopefully in January-ish. I was supposed to go in June with LT, but that obviously got canceled. She's a big animal print wearer, so this would just be perfect. Or like going to a winery because I'm turning 21 soon. Like, I see it. I see it. This dress was $25 and I got in a size large because I wanted it to fit a little bit looser, but not like too loose, you know what I mean? Then the last clothing item that I picked up, which I just talked about how I don't purchase Lululemon shorts, but here we are. I was actually in the Lululemon in Williamsburg the day it opened up actually with Liv, and we saw these shorts. I just love the color, first of all, really unique, and they had a size up, which is what I've heard to get in Lululemon shorts, because my first and only pair of Lulu shorts before this, they were the 2-inch or 2.5-inch inseam, which let me tell you, I'm 5'8" and like 75% leg, so a 2.5-inch inseam does not even cover my butt. I don't know what I was thinking with that one. So I got these, and I got these in the 4-inch inseam. It covers my butt slightly, so much better there. And I got these in a size 10, which is a size up for me. And apparently, I was just looking at the tag, I got the tall, which honestly makes a lot of sense because they do seem to fit me really well since I am on the taller side, and honestly more because my legs are really long. I've worn them many times, and I'm really excited to keep wearing them. We're gonna venture off into beauty real quick because I have a couple beauty items I wanted to share with y'all. First of all, this Revlon blow dryer brush, I bought this at the very beginning of quarantine. I made a video about it actually if you guys want to see me trying it out, my first impressions. I'll link it down below and up in the cards. This is just the biggest game changer of anything ever. I'm obsessed with it. My hair is really thick, coarse, wavy, so I'm really excited that it works so well in it. I know I'm wearing a black shirt, so you probably can't tell, but that's how I did my hair today, and it just really helps with frizz and stuff. I'm trying to go quick because I have more to share with you guys, and I'm already 17 minutes in, so this part is going to be rapid fire just because I just featured these products in my last video, so if you guys haven't seen my quarantine glow up video, definitely go check that out. So these products I just purchased for the intent of doing that video actually, but I really like them. First of all, I got the Laura Mercier loose setting powder, great for baking and setting your foundation. I got the NYX butter gloss. This is in Angel Food Cake. Love this color. It's what I have on right now. I got the Hoola bronzer. This is just like the normal one. I can link this down below too. I really like this, and I think it makes me look naturally glowy and not muddy, because I feel like that's usually how bronzers look on my pale skin. I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got this in the light shade because clearly I'm pale. This is fantastic. I highly recommend, and this is gonna last me a long time. I can already tell. This NYX Tinted Brow Mascara is what I have on my brows right now. It's in the shade Brunette, and I think it's really natural looking, but it's also super easy to throw on in the morning, and if I'm wearing no makeup, I'll still put this on because super easy, super quick, and looks super natural. And then I got this Real Techniques powder brush. Really great for putting on this pressed powder, and it just, I don't know, it looks really good. That was my attempt at a rapid fire beauty section. Now on to my most expensive quarantine purchase, my iPad. So you're probably like, Meg, what? I didn't know you got an iPad. I'm like, yeah, I did. That's exactly how that conversation would go. I don't know why I just felt the need to say that. Full disclosure here, I filmed an unboxing of this iPad and I wasn't sure if anyone wanted to see it, slash I didn't really love the video, but if you guys would like to see a what's on my iPad slash unboxing video, definitely let me know with a comment down below, but I don't want to bore you guys with that if you're not into that. Let me know. Just for some specs, this is the Apple Pencil first generation. I got this from Best Buy. It was $100. And then this is the smart cover for the 7th generation iPad, 10.2 inch, which is what I have. This was $50 from the Apple Store. Then here is my iPad. It's in space gray if you couldn't tell. It's the 120 gigabyte, 10.2 inch, 7th generation iPad. It's the basic iPad and almost the cheapest one. So this gal's belling on a budget. I actually got the iPad on sale for $430, which was $100 off. So I think it came out to be like $520 or somewhere around there, $550. So definitely not cheap, but also half the price of an iPad Pro for just the iPad. So yeah, I've really been loving using my iPad, and I actually wanted to do an iPad customization video because I've seen a couple of those for MacBooks going around and thought I'd do a little twist on it, do an iPad one, and really been learning a lot of things with this iPad. Like, it's not as intuitive as you would think, so I feel like that video would actually be helpful if y'all are interested in that. Also leave me a comment down below. I just love talking to you guys in the comments. So yeah, I realized I never showed you guys my one pair of shoes that I purchased during quarantine. These are super out there and really fun. They're from Vintage Havana, but I got them from Nordstrom Rack, and they look like this. They kind of, especially with the label up, tell me they don't give you a little bit of a golden goose vibe. Like, okay. I mean, I wouldn't look at them and think, oh my god, they're golden gooses, but like they definitely give off that vibe. So I really like the high top look. On the side, it just has stars. The laces are cheetah, but they actually came with beige laces, which I really like because the cheetah are like a lot. But these look so good with honestly anything, especially when I have my self tanner on. Like, whoo, they just really pop, and I'm obsessed with them. I got these for like $60 or so. If you guys are looking for like clothes or shoes or accessories or anything like that, definitely check out Nordstrom Rack because they've been doing a lot of sales recently, so check that out. Okay, a really big bag, but it only has like a couple things in it. I don't know why they gave me such a big bag. First of all, this is from TJ Maxx, if you couldn't read the bag. I feel like I am just on a different level today. I think it's the caffeine. I don't know. This is from New Balance, and it was like 12 bucks, and it came with pads in it, which usually I love, but I've really been into the super chill vibe lately with this, with what? That didn't even make sense. Basically, it's more comfy without the pads, and it's more like a lounging bra rather than like a sports bra. Oh my god, I can't believe I put this shit up on the internet. The rest of the stuff in this bag, I'm not even sure that I'm keeping, but I wanted to show you guys. It's all business clothes because if you didn't know, I am a rising third year. I'm going into the McIntyre School of Commerce, aka the business school at UVA, and you definitely need like professional clothes for that, and I just simply have none. So I picked up this blazer, which I'm unsure about how I feel about it, just because I think it's really cute, but then the gold, or no, it's like silvery hardware, kind of throws it off for me. Like, I don't know. It was $24 though, which is really good. And I just like how it's a little more fun. I don't know, I'm not doing like investment banking, I'm doing marketing. So that's like, people dress fun, they look cute, like, I don't know. This could be cool. Still unsure about that. Still have the receipt, obviously. I bought this top, which let me tell you, I sent it to someone and I literally looked like a pilgrim. That's the best way to describe it. Only thing with this is that it's super sheer. Like, I don't know if you can see me through it, but really sheer. So I would have to wear some kind of like slip underneath it, which I'm really, don't really want to do that. This was $20, so I figured I'd pick it up, but I can always return it as well. And then this top is just very, very basic. Is it the cutest? No, but also, once again, you don't get much of a choice. This is a cute little shell. That's what they're called. Fun fact, my mom told me that a couple summers ago when I did that internship. And basically it's just like a sleeveless shirt and you put a blazer over top of it. And I guess you could wear it by itself in like the summer or something. I got this in a size large because if you guys haven't been out shopping, you can't try anything on. And they didn't have a medium, but like this looked like big, but not like too big. Not that I want to oversize, but like this didn't really have much stretch. So I needed to make sure we were covered up here before everything else was. I also couldn't pass up the fact that it was $12. So, all right, well, I'm sweating. That is everything I purchased during quarantine. A little crazy, isn't it? Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed my shopping addiction. If you guys have purchased anything cool in quarantine or anything cute, definitely let me know with a comment down below. I would love to know because let's be honest, the shopping isn't stopping here. So If you guys are new and made it to the end of the video, definitely subscribe down below because I make new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.